Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jinsi, your unfiltered voice in the world of cinema, series, trailers, and everything in between. So if you guys enjoyed watching Thama and all the movies which were released till now from Maddock Horror Comedy Universe, then you guys are going to love the update which I'm going to give right now. Maddock recently announced for the first time they are coming with an animated movie. The movie is called Choti Stree. It's going to be released in theater. Choti Stree will end with live action footage from Stree 3, and that will answer all the questions of fan of Stree's backstory. 6 months after that, they will release Stree 3. That is how smoothly they're going to connect the film. This is what I love about Maddock film. They have everything planned in advance. They don't release one movie and then plan after that the sequel or the next part of it. They have planned everything in advance. And every movie is interconnected with each other, and how smoothly they connect with each other, that is so brilliant. I should really appreciate all the writers and directors and producers. The way they have teamed up and worked all the films from this universe is something which is really commendable, and this is one of the production house which I really look up to. I'm talking about Maddock Horror Comedy Universe. I'm not talking about Maddock Films. That is a different segment, but Maddock Horror Comedy Universe released some really good films which I really look up to. Also, there is news about all the upcoming movies for the next 3 years. So let me give you update on that as well. So if the news is correct, 2026 is scheduled to be released with Shakti Shalini. It is going to be the 6th franchise of this universe, and it is going to star Aneet Pada. We all know Aneet Pada, who her previous film was Sayyara. Majority of the theater must have shown the teaser of Shakti Shalini, and they have mentioned the date. It is scheduled to be released on next year, 24th December 2026. So I'm eagerly waiting for this film to be released. Next up is Bhedia 2, which is again speculated to be released on 2026. And this is going to be the 7th installment to the franchise, and it is a sequel of Bhedia. There is also rumors that Kirti Sanan will appear back in Bhedia 2, wherein she was shown dead in Bhedia. The film might heavily focus on the hatred between Bhedia and Betal, with the slogan, "The Hunt Begins." 2027, if the dates are confirmed, we will see Chamunda and Stree 3. So Chamunda will be the 8th installment and Stree 3 will be the 9th installment to this franchise. Chamunda will star Alia Bhatt in the lead role. Then we have Stree 3. Obviously, we'll have all the cast from the initial Stree: Shraddha Kapoor, Rajkumar, Pankaj Tripathi, Abhishek Banerjee, and Apar Shakti Khurana. We might also see Akshay Kumar, who was playing the character of Sarkata, 2028. Again, I'm not sure with the release year. They keep changing the release year because of the delay in shooting and post-production. So far, if the news is correct, then 2028, we will see Mahamunjia. That would be the 10th installment of this franchise. It is a sequel of Munjia, and it will star the initial characters from that film, Abhay Verma and Sharvari. Then the most awaited part will come, which I was wishing for. Yes, they are planning to put all these characters from this universe into one film. And the first part is going to be Pehla Mahayudh. And then post that, they'll come with Dusra Mahayudh. And it's going to be fun to watch. It's just going to be a Marvel movie where we will see all these characters coming into one. It's going to be fun to watch. So that's the update from Maddock Horror Comedy Universe. That's it for this video. There are more updates on the upcoming films for this year and next year, which I will give in my next video. Until then, please do take care. Do this.